Steps to heal and protect your liver. If you want to heal and protect your liver, you can take the following 3 steps. Number 1. Eat foods rich in sulfur like cabbage, cruciferous vegetables, garlic, onions, bone broth, grass-fed beef, walnuts, and watercress. Sulfur-rich foods increase glutathione levels to help prevent free radical damage in your liver. Number 2 is eat foods rich in selenium to boost glutathione, such as Brazil nuts, tuna, sardines, halibut, eggs, and organ meats. Number 3. Take whole milk thistle powder 3 times a day. This is one of the best natural herbs in the world for boosting glutathione levels and healing the liver from fatty liver disease, fibrosis, and inflammation. Foods to avoid that damage the liver. Now that you are aware of some of the key nutrients needed to repair and restore your liver, you'll also want to avoid and cut back on certain liver-damaging foods such as vegetable oils like corn, soy, cottonseed, and canola oil. These all cause massive amounts of inflammation in the liver cells. You should also cut out sugar and corn syrup, as these deplete your antioxidant reserves, making your liver prone to inflammation and infections. Alcohol damages the hepatocytes, raising the risk of liver cirrhosis and cancer. Painkillers. Although not a food, but many people consume painkillers every day, such as acetaminophen, which is also known as paracetamol, which poisons the liver and depletes glutathione. Protein powder. Stay away from concentrated protein powders and power bars. Protein that is not consumed with fat causes major damage to the liver cells and causes the buildup of ammonia. If you are finding this information useful, please tap the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated for my latest health and nutrition tips. Some extra tips and summary. Your liver is actually one of the most robust organs and can easily repair itself and return to a healthy state after having liver disease. Use a mixture of nutrients and antioxidants shared in today's video to help strip away unwanted fat and scar tissue from your liver. Follow an intermittent fasting plan where you eat all of your calories in a shorter window of time during the day. This stimulates a process known as autophagy, where your body cleans out all damaged tissues and cells, helping to restore the liver cells back to a healthy state. Following a low-carb diet and eating lots of raw cruciferous vegetable is the most effective way to clean out your liver. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any genuine medical concerns. So it was all about my today's video. Thank you so much for watching. A like is always appreciated. And remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. And as always, I wish you great health, wealth and happiness. I'll be back with a great video next time. Until that, take care of yourself and bye-bye.